Hello friends, welcome to my channel Python Programming with Sanju. This video is not about Python. This is about how to apply the menu bars, expandable menu bars in blogger.com. We know that blogger.com, which is a platform provided by Google for free of cost blogging. I mean, you can create blogs for free. Many people use this platform for creating their blogs, and because all the themes available for free, they are not quite attractive. There are no such menus which I am showing you now in those themes. You have to either use some custom themes, ready-made themes available with some websites, or other option is that you may code the theme. You may customize the available theme by yourself if you know a little bit of programming. Okay, so all you need to know is a little bit of HTML and or CSS or Bootstrap. Okay, so yes, you can use Bootstrap in blogger.com, and I have done it. You can see that this is my blog. It is related to guitar anyway, and as you can see that there are two menu items here. I mean, two items, main items here, and these each of this menu is expandable. You can click and it gets expanded. Similarly, this one. Okay, and you can input any number of options here. So this is a simple menu which I have created for this blog. Okay, and you can see this is the header, and I have created it at the bottom of the header, and this is my main post content. Okay, so you can create this menu easily, so I will show you now, so stay tuned. Okay, so let me take you to this another blog of mine where this menu is not available. So we will use the code, this code from this blog, and simply paste it here. I will show you where what type of code it is and where to paste it, and then we will see if it works in this blog or not. Okay, so this will help you to understand what code you have to use and where you have to put it. Okay, so I am using Bootstrap here. Okay, you don't have to know much of CSS here. You simply must know a little bit of Bootstrap. So when you go to bootstrap.com, getbootstrap.com, there you will see that I have copied the links which I am going to show you. I have copied those links from bootstrap.com. Okay, so let me show you what I have done here. So you can see this Bootstrap CSS and Bootstrap, these two links, these are links, and they refer to CDN server in which they have this Bootstrap something CSS. Okay, so this is the link from where so I mean, this is a style sheet. It contains a style sheet. This link, it is stored in CDN. Okay, so you don't have to write any CSS code here. All the code, it will be accessed online. Okay, whenever your website is loaded, your page will refer to these style sheets. Okay, so you have to include these style sheets in your theme. Okay, blogger theme. So what you have to do is you have to open your dashboard here, and then go to this theme section, and in theme section click here customize, and then go to edit HTML. Okay, so if you go to edit HTML, you will access the HTML code of your theme. Okay, and in case if you are afraid, you are doing it for first time and you are afraid that maybe you will lose your main theme, maybe you have already done some customization and you don't want to lose that customization, then in that case you should click on this backup button, and if you click on backup button, then it will download a file for you, and this is a XML file, and uh, you can later re-upload this file for the theme which you already have in your blog. Okay, so now once I have the backup, I will go to edit HTML. Okay, so when I click on edit HTML, you can see this is my head. Okay, head of the blog. It contains title. What is title? Title is this one here. So this is my title. Okay, and all this head section, it will contain title and your meta content. And now I will include the we know that we have to include the style sheet within this head element. Okay, so this is where it starts. If you don't know where head starts, you can search for it by control F. If you type control F, this search box will get popped here, and you can type here like this, head. Okay, so it will take you header. So this is header, and initially it was head up there. This is head. Okay, so let me show you again. So if I type like this, head, it will take you this head. Okay, and if I search for the closing tag head, then it will show me the closing tag head here. So this is where 668, where my head ends. So you have to include your this bootstrap link within these two, starting head tag and the ending head tag. So better you do it somewhere here near to title, just for just in case if you want to access this, add it in future. And it is a good practice to put this title, this comment tag here, and write like this, my edits. Okay, so that this will be, this is a comment. Okay, in XML you can write the comments like this, so it separates the other code from your code. And within this my edits tag, I will copy these two links. Okay, if you need these links, I will put these links in the description box. You can get these links from there. Okay, so let me again copy and then paste it here. Okay, so my bootstrap links, they are now pasted here. Okay, so this is my edits, and okay, so this is my customization here. Okay, so I have copied the bootstrap CSS and simple bootstrap. Okay, these two links here. I don't know if single link will work, or maybe both of them are needed. I have copied them from bootstrap.com, so you may try to delete one and check if another works. I mean, if only single-handedly it can handle or not. And one more thing you need to copy is, you need to copy this JavaScript link here. Let me see it here. It has to be at the end body tag. So search for this body and body. So this is your end body tag slash body, and so this is my end body tag, and just above this end body tag you have to include this this optional JavaScript tag in your theme section. So copy this also. Okay, and go to your theme. This is the theme which I'm editing here, and search for the end body tag slash body, and click, and this is my end body tag. So you can see here that this same script, this was here also. You can see this is the script here, same, and I have to copy it below this. Okay, all this content I have to copy below this script and above end body tag. Okay, so end body tag, if you are using simple theme of Blogger, then you will see this script here. Okay, so I have pasted this, and here also I will put my edits comment. Okay, copy it here and copy this one here. Okay, so now I have included my Bootstrap and JavaScript in my theme. So if I use now navigations, navigation bars, uh, and if I use the Bootstrap classes for navigation bar, then they must work. Okay, so let us see if it works. Okay, so now I have to create this navigation bar, right? So let me first save this one. Okay, Bootstrap, let me see if there is any error in my code, then it will show up here. Okay, so I will click save. So whatever I have copied till now, it must get saved correctly. Maybe it is getting saved, but not giving me any save. I don't know why it is not showing anything. Let me write something else here. Mm, let me write something here like this. Control S, Control V, and save. Okay. So there was something here, that's why it was not showing earlier. So updated successfully. Okay, so there is no error, so that means our code is clean. And now let me go for this menu bar. Okay, so so first you understand this much, that this is my header. Okay, and this is my main body. Today, Tuesday, something, this is my main body. So where I need this menu bar, I need to put it at the end of the header. Okay, so this is header, this is title in the head, and this is header, and this is my description in the header, and below description I will put my menu items here. Okay, so for that I need to first search for the header. Okay, so control again type the control F, and then write this header tag here, and here you will see your header tag. Okay, so this is my HTML tag. If you okay, so header. Okay, and this is my div, one div, second div. So you simply search, read these class names, and you will understand where this header actually ends. Okay, so this is my class header outer, header cap to cap, cap left, cap right. Okay, so this is one div, and this is the my closing div. Okay, so it closes here, this is outer header. Okay, then this another div starts here, this is something fox border, and this is region inner, header inner. So this div so this must be something your inner header. Okay, so maybe this is your inner header. Okay, so within your header, what it contains, it contains display height, display width. Okay, use width, use placement display width. So widget setting, okay, so it is not very much description, description is not clear with the names only. So but you can see here, this is the title, civil engineer material, header. So basically this is my title section. Okay, and if you read here, you will find something description also. I mean uh, this is header inner again, title, this is description. Okay, so this is my description. So you found this description word here, that means your description is ended here. Okay, so if this div, this is my description, so this shows that my description ends here. So if I paste my nav bar here, so I think this must work. Okay, so let me check in my previous theme where I've already done this, if I'm correct or not. So I will search here for my edits. My edit. So I have let me see it where I have pasted here. Okay, so this is header. Okay, so this is where my header ends. Okay, basically this is where my header ends, and this is where my header ends, and this is the area tabs, outer tabs, and this is where my AdSense ad is located. So basically you as you can see that there are ads in my blog. So basically this is the area, this particular section, this is for my AdSense ad. So I want to put my menu item below this AdSense area. So that's why I have gone below this, all this. And once this widget is div is closed, and now b include, this is this b, you must always take care that you never put your code within this section. Okay, so b section here and this b section here. So this is my section for AdSense. Okay, b section and b section. So anything which starts like this b and this double colon, okay, this, so you have to look for the end tag. Okay, so this is the starting tag and this is the end tag. Don't put your code in between these two tags. So that is why I have put my code here. So this is my code for my navigation bar. Okay, and I have to copy this up to this point. Okay, let me put only one menu first, I mean first menu. Let me copy this, Control C, and then so this is where my this one ends. B includable, B section, B section, B section. Where is B section? So I have to search for my B section here. B include data description, B section. Let me see. Okay, so this is where my section ends. Okay, and or this is where my header ends. Okay, so this is my AdSense. I hope this I am correct. This, so, and this is where the section for my AdSense ends, and this starts. Okay, this is where it ends. All right, and these are the closing tags for my div. Okay, so I will put my code below this. Okay, here, and so you can see this is one div, second div, so two divs and two closing divs. So that means my code must be complete. Okay, so one div open, second div, and two closing div. So I think this code should be complete, and you have to be very much careful about this closing tags. This is the starting div and this is the ending div. Okay, so let me save this one, and you can see here there is no menu item, and once I save this, I have clicked save, and if there is no error, it will get updated successfully. Okay, so let me check it now. I will refresh it. So you can see I have now my menu item here, and it is expandable. Okay, so now let me show you this. Let me explain a little bit more about this menu item, what it is and how it works. Okay, so this is my edit 1 2 edits. What happened? Why it is not showing? I think I have to search it manually. I wrote my edits, but it is not showing me. So here is your header, and this is my edit. So it should have shown. I don't know why it did not show. Okay, so this is my menu here, and you can see that this menu uses, I'm using a simple div here, container, and class of this div is navbar brand and nav item and drop down. So these are the Bootstrap classes, and you don't have to write the CSS code for these classes because these are the Bootstrap classes, and you have already included the Bootstrap link at the top. So all the styles, they will automatically be accessed by that link. And within this div I am using a this link hyper, I mean this is your href. You can see this is my href. I have not given it any uh, link here for the this main search codes by singer's name. So you can see here search codes by singer name. If I click on it, I will not be taken to other tab. I will simply see this drop down menu, and if I click any one of these this, then I will be taken to some another page. Okay, so if I click on Arijit Singh, then I will be taken to another page, right? So that is how it works. You click on this, it doesn't work, and it is so because I have not put any link here. So this is my main link. Okay, and I have given it some styling, so that is why I have used here span tag, and this is my closing tag for the main I mean link. Okay, and after this main link I will use another div, and class for this div is drop down menu. Okay, you can see here it is drop down only, and it is now drop down menu, and within this drop down menu you can see there are various links: first link, second link, third link, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and whatever names I am writing here Arijit Singh, then Jubin Notia, Kishore Kumar. These names, they will appear like this: Arijit Singh, Jubin Notia, and these names, they are, and this text is linked with this href. This is your website page where you are linking this text. Okay, and for each link you have to give a class of drop down item. So this is your drop down item. So this is the code. Okay, now suppose you don't want to create this drop down menu. Okay, you want simple simple menu. So in that case, simply don't include this drop down, and don't include these items or like this. Okay, simply create let me create another menu here. I will create this another div above this one, and I will delete this drop down class, and within this div I will simply create another link, and let me give it some different name. This is my first menu item, maybe. Okay, so this is the name I am giving it, and then I will close my div like this. Okay, so I think this should be sufficient. Okay, so let me close it now, save it. Okay, so it is processing, updated successfully. So now if I refresh it, I should see here one more menu item to the left, and this should not be expandable. Okay, so I am refreshing my page. So you can see this is my menu item, but it is not to the left, but it is above it. Why it happened? Because I have to I have to simply put this these two within a same menu, I mean div, single div. I had to put it in a single div, so and that is why it is showing me one is above and one is below it. So let me make it correct. Okay, so this is my item here. Okay, so this menu I will control X, and maybe if I put it here, within this div, then or maybe let us not put it here. I have to put it here, and this div I have to put it below this one. Okay, I think this should work. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to skip this part, because I think you can do it by yourself, because this is not much of a problem. With little bit doing here and there, it should work. Okay, so it didn't work because maybe I am doing something wrong here. Anyway, let me check, let me try once more. Okay, if it doesn't work, then I am going to skip it. So this is my menu here, nav item, and this is my class. Okay, and this is my drop down menu here. Okay, so I have to create a single, I think I am forgetting this one here, nav class, this one. So basically I have to create a single, first of all I have to create a space for both of this menu, right? So let me create this one, that is nav. Okay, so this nav tag, it will show me that this is where my navigation starts. Okay, and then I will close this nav tag. Okay, I will close it here, nav. I think this should work now. Okay, and let me close this div here. So okay, updated successfully, and okay, so now you can see that this is my navigation rectangle. So this is where my navigation items, this is one item, first menu item, and this is the second item. And in first menu item I have not put any items here, so you will see that it doesn't expand, while in the second item you can see there are many items. Okay, so I mean this first menu and second menu. In second menu there are a number of items, and this is expandable. Okay, still there is something here. I don't want this arrow here, so in that case I will see if I can do it just by removing some class. Okay, so where is my menu? So this is my menu here. So nav and nav items. Okay, so this is not a nav item, so I will delete this one, and also this nav link I will delete this drop down toggle here, this class name, and also this data toggle, I don't need this one also. And let me also this ID, I think this is not required, this is not a drop down. So let us see if it works now. Okay, so you can see that arrow is gone now. So this is a simple menu item now. I have not given it any reference link, I mean there is no link attached to it, so when I click it, it doesn't go anywhere. But if you put any href link within that href section, then you will be taken to that particular link. Okay, and here there are links. So this is how you create menu in a Blogger page. I hope you understood it well, and I will put the links of Bootstrap links and all those links within my description box. So that's all for now. If you want more of such videos, please stay tuned by clicking the subscribe button and hitting that bell icon, so that you get all the notifications of my future videos. And that's all for now. Thank you, take care, bye bye.